And the world is made of energy, and the world...
When we come to think about Coke, as a first thought we may see it as a company that sells a simple type of product and that have established its name because of their superior quality or because of their product taste. However, when we really stop to think about, we come to realize that quality and even taste are not everything. Perhaps they are not even one of the main competitive advantages that Coke have. Looking at the company value chain, we can clearly see that the primary activities are far more important than the secondary ones. Among those primary activities, we could still point out three parts of the value chain that are directly responsible for the competitive advantages that Coke have. They are:
We're gonna see the sunlight.
Coke invests a huge amount of money in product quality. Because of that, Coke pays special attention to the raw materials that are bought. Besides offering products in satisfactory conditions, the companies that do business with Coke have also to follow a strict guideline that will make sure their supplier follow a pattern of quality. Here it is some examples of what is required of those companies: compliance with laws and governmental regulations, strict prohibitions against child labor and overtime work, proper health and safety conditions to employees. Doing that, Coke is trying to create the Coca-Cola quality pattern that is something that can be extended to all their products. The most important part of the value chain, the distribution system that Coke has, can be considered a strong competitive advantage. Coke owns, leases, and operates in over 800 plants around the world. The 2,400 beverage products that they market reach consumers in more than 200 different geographic locations. However, Coke cannot achieve it alone. Actually, they are only responsible for producing the syrup that is going to be used in their products. The activities of finishing and turning the syrup into final goods are responsibility of the bottlers. Coke has over 300 bottling partners, which range from gigantic companies to small, family-owned operations. The guideline that was already mentioned is also valid for the bottlers. The fact that Coke outsources some of its operations is an important advantage in the distribution channel, because it creates a more lighter and flexible company. Although the industry is relatively small and they only compete with two other companies, creativity presents itself as being something vital for Coke. The sector is so important that Coke invests about 14% of its profits in communication. Nowadays, Coke is trying to build a lasting and more deep relationship with its customers.